Hello everyone, I am Dr. Kona Himabindu Reddy, consultant pulmonologist, Pratima Hospitals, Kukatpalli. We usually heard asthmatics may get attacks during rainy and winter seasons. But usually asthma will be under control and remain silent during summer months. But during summer months, few triggers may increase the symptoms. Even during summer months, few triggers may increase the symptoms in asthma patients. So during summer months, usually the weather will be heat and humid. So the heat and humid condition itself may increase the symptoms, may cause breathing difficulty in asthmatics. And even indoor triggers like molds and dust mites may increase the risk of increasing the severity of symptoms in asthmatics. Usually, molds will be more active during summer months, and even dust mites, which resides in your pillows, bed sheets, bed linens, carpets, and doormats, may increase the risk of asthma attacks. Dust mites and molds can trigger asthma at any season, but during summer months, because of humid weather, the molds and dust mites may irritate the asthma patients. And even the heat condition usually traps the ozone and particulate matter released from the cars and other vehicles and factories, which may increase the risk of exposure to air pollutants during summer months when you go outside. And heat itself may make the air more stagnant and may increase the risk of exposure to the dust, smoke, and other air pollutants and pollens. And when you visit a garden or when you visit a place where the trees are more, then there is increased chance of exposure to pollens during summer months, which may irritate your airways and may trigger the symptoms if you are an asthmatic. And usually the air pollution risk increases during summer months because of heat, because it traps the particulate matter and increases the exposure to the air pollutants. And usually during summer months, many families plan some vacation trips to various places. So most commonly we visit beaches, but beaches are very safe places for asthmatics. You may get refreshing air and healthy environment. But even during beaches, the heat and humid weather may trigger the attacks. So avoid the heat conditions, heat hours like between 10 to 2 p.m. and enjoy the early mornings and late evenings in the beaches during summer months. And also when you go the place where the altitude is very high, then there are high chances of less oxygen availability when compared to the sea level. This may cause breathing difficulty in asthma patients. So take care of when you visit those kinds of places. So by following few summer tips, you can avoid asthma attacks during summer months. Decreases the exposure to the molds and dust mites. So wash your bed linens, pillow covers, doormats very frequently with hot water and make them dry in the sunlight, and use vacuum cleaner, especially in your bedroom, to avoid molds and dust mites exposure. And also avoid the outdoor activities. So especially in the heat hours like between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. there is increased risk of exposure to the air pollutants. And also increased physical activity in the heat hours may trigger the asthma attacks. And stay hydrated. This also keeps your immunity high and also keeps yourself cool, and avoid the asthma attacks. And also, especially when the heat is very high, avoid the exposure to the air pollution, that is going outside in the road traffic, that may increase the risk of asthma attacks. And also when you are planning vacation trips, so always carry your inhalers, especially relievers, along with you, and schedule a doctor visit before planning the trips. And whenever is required, use the reliever inhaler to reduce your asthma symptoms when you get attack. So by following simple summer tips, you can avoid asthma attacks during summer months. Most common physical activity what we do during summer months is a swimming. Swimming is a very good physical activity, especially it improves the lung health. And most of our Olympic swimmers are asthmatics. But swimming in the pool where the chlorine levels are high definitely increases the asthma symptoms if you're asthmatic, because chlorine irritates your airways. So take care of these kind of activities while doing swimming. Thank you.